I beg, wait. No comot. You get one information what I won't give you. But before I give you that information, check this picture. Hey, check out well. You don't see her. No say when we dey small. Now so we dey see vulture everywhere. If you come out for road, you go see vulture. You go see vulture, you know, we go dey make caricature of vulture, say you know dey shame. Na something animal wey don die, na him dey chop. You know dey fit use your hand kill your own animal, just like kite as him dey do. But you know see, e don pass 10 years wey I never see vulture. No know whether you dey think wetin I dey think. You dey reason wetin I dey reason. I know say you never reason am. Okay, make I tell you something. You know say since wey all these people don begin dey sell roasted chicken along the road, fried chicken along the road, cook chicken along the road, we no dey see vulture again. I know so all these fowl wey resemble like one, their taste na almost the same thing. Once they don comot the head like this, their body, you no know wetin dem be again. Sometimes when they go for market, fowl don cost, they go find one bush enter or go slaughter, go find go catch vulture. Abeg, you know say you no go fit forget am. Abeg, if you know the location where all these vulture don fly go, write am for the comment section, because I know say I know say e no dey easy. This our Nigeria, this our country, e dey somehow. And wetin Nigeria no fit do, e no dey in existence. Abeg, na be my question. Abeg, if you get idea, just write am for comment section. Make we debate, make we know whether na true say we don chop our own vulture for mouth, abi they don leave us for this country go another country. Thank you. Make we see for comment section.